Yo, has anybody ever noticed this little fucking snowman? Yo, look, Death Star, look, right here. Look. Little fucking snowman. Fuck you! Why'd you destroy the fucking snowman? Somebody worked hard to build that. I thought you did it.
Helicopter, helicopter! Does someone have a radio?
Hey, be sure to find the commander. Tell him you have fire support available.
All right. On your knees! Bro, I can't! You got it!
Yo, new man! Contact, southwest!
There!
Dig it! We gotta hold it!
Speak up!
We took Echo!
Wait! They're sending a counterattack!
Have them do a gun run on this spot! Hurry! Station, this is Observer. We're gonna need a gun run right here. This location. Explosive artillery. Call for explosive. I need explosive. Call for explosive. I need explosive artillery right here. Call for explosive artillery. Ah! Stop shooting me! Fuck! Explosive ready. Get down on the ground! Yo, get me the radio! Fuck!
Don't shoot me. Don't get upset and shoot your commander.
I don't know what you don't understand.
You shot me. Don't be a liar.
What happens is he authorizes the enemy.
Loading! Got explosive rounds at this location. Over!